Phone Monkey Horrors, the best game ever. Best game ever. 20 people online. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Must be funny.
You scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, bro.
Angles. Oh my gosh. Bro,
No,
where are you
scared
going?
the crap
Where are you
out of
going?
me. Oh, nah. Bro. Dude. Where's
Where
the
is
monster,
everyone?
bro?
Where is everyone? Oh, someone just died. Someone just died. Someone died. Nah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
I think I just fucking myself.
Monkey! Oi, oi, oi. Moody, I better come.
You know what that means?
Oi, oi, oi. La!
Y'all guys want to
Back,
say?
yeah.
Y'all guys know what that
Yeah.
means? It means no.
Hey. Oi, oi, oi. Wait, everyone go past me. I'm gonna count.
You know
1,
how
2,
y'all guys
3,
say
4,
oi, oi,
5, 6, 7,
Because you know how y'all
8,
guys say
9.
oi oi? In English, it means hey. That's what it means.
Bro, no, it's something from My Hero Academia.
No, it's oi. It's hey.
No, they just stole it. They stole something from the larva thing, and then they stole something from My Hero. Go back.
He's not coming.
He's not coming. We're fine. It's not coming.
He's not coming, you pussies. Your eyes are lying. Oh yeah, he is coming.
Wait, make sure it's actually coming. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Go. Turn. Juke him out. Wait, it's gone.
It's Queso. We're in his house. It says hey. Guys,
Can you
we're
go
in
this way?
Queso's house.
I'm scared. I don't want to go.
Guys, this is a little tab. Guys, we're in Queso's house. Guys, Queso went over here.
Oh, he did? No, it's Travis Scott. It's
Guys,
Travis
really,
Scott. What are you
it's 3
talking about?
a.m. We're going to
Guys, it's
Queso's
Travis
house,
Scott. What are you
and we're
talking about?
inside. Queso?
No, it's Travis Scott, not Queso. It's Travis
We're inside
Scott.
of Queso's house, and it looks like a main like Travis Scott. I think we gotta find.
Guys,
the
it's not
exit.
Queso. It's Travis
How does
Scott.
Queso make his way through here? Queso doesn't even fit.
It's Travis Scott, not
Queso
Queso.
doesn't fit more food. Or is this Nikocado? No, it's Nico Avocado, guys.
We're at the employee store.
No, Nico Avocado thinks that we're
No, wait, Nikocado Avocado is so fat. He straight up had to get a breathing machine. No, Nikocado Avocado is so big he had to get a breathing machine just so he could breathe.
For real.
Like, ain't no way, bro. I think bro's about to have a heart attack. No, go.
Stop lying.
Wait,
Just give me my money. I got jump scared.
just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
No, is it coming? Wait. No, it's coming. That's wrong.
He stopped. He's coming on me. Guys, I think he stopped for eating something.
No, I'm not going by myself.
Y'all scaredy cats.
I'm scared.
I'm not a scary cat. I missed the
Once I hear him, I'm out.
Guys,
Yeah, Mr. Breast. Okay, buddy.
Mr.
Come on,
Ryan.
I'm scared. No, run.
I got it. I do not got it.
Oh no.
It's coming.
Wait, make sure it's actually coming. No, it's not even coming.
Queso's
for real.
coming.
No, it isn't.
Over here.
Guys, this is part 3. Queso coming. Part 3. This is Queso.
Why are people calling him Queso? It's Travis Scott. I'm scared. No, why y'all all the way over here? Now y'all being scared, bro. Y'all being scared.
Is he
Y'all being scared for
We're
real.
not scared of everybody. We're not scared. We're Sigma.
No, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
He went the other way.
Yo mama's so fat that she
Shut
uses listen to me. Yo mama's so fat that she uses an inhaler as a gas tank.
What? That makes no sense. Oh shoot!
You guys saw that, right?
I saw it.
You're not Skibbity! He's down there! He
go,
went to your
He's
right!
down
He's
there.
down there and you're right!
He's down
You're
there.
not Skibbity!
It's down there and to the right.
right.
It's down there and to the right. To the right. To the right. That way. That way.
I'm
Scared.
I'm scared. Stop
breathing in your mic like that.
It was down here. Nah, ain't no way.
This way.
Big bubbity boy.
I'm scared!
His tomato ketchup.
Shut up. Shut up.
There's no way the monster's out.
No, why are you doing that? No, why are you doing that? You're weird.
Boys, please, Forrest, go the other way.
He's coming. Psych, psych, no. Psych, yo.
Wait, stop.
No! We do not care!
Psych, no, in a way. In a way. Come on.
Stop.
He's not coming, bro. What are y'all doing? He's not coming.
Oh, someone died. Michelangelo.
I think I saw it.
Monkey.
Bro! No!
If you just see it, just run.
Monkey.
There. That's the thing, he's over there.
What I have then I have to check.
No, why am I going by myself?
Everybody was good.
This is our monkey game!
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Come on! It's just a monkey game.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
I'm scared.
Nothing's there. Nothing's there. Is bro actually running?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
guys,
actually
let's go to get Death Hall. Let's go to Death Hall.
No,
No. He's over here at Death Hall. He's at Death Hall. He's at Death Hall.
Everyone go.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
He's at Death Hall.
Fast as
I
lightning.
might die.
Now I'm gonna go by myself.
He's at Death Hallway. He's at Death Hallway. Come on, bro.
Get to Death Hallway.
Alright, let's just
He's
go to
at Death Hallway. Let's
Death
go to
Hallway.
Death
I know I'm
Hallway.
gonna die. I know I'm gonna die there. I'm not fast.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Oh wait, are you in
Death
it was
Hallway.
making the noise for real? That was a crazy noise. That is
crazy. Oh my god, that noise scared me. Guys, if you want to make the monster noise, the first thing you need to do is fart into your mic.
Right in the server.
Imagine if he was behind us. Imagine if he was behind us.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Which one do we go?
That one.
Wait for me, I got a little gun.
Monkey alert! Monkey alert! Monkey alert! Now eat your veggies. Hey, now eat your veggies. Yum yum.
Come on! Come on, you guys are so slow.
Now eat your veggies. Hey, now eat your veggies. Yum yum.
Oh.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Wait, it's near. It's near.
I heard it.
I heard it. I heard it.
Swing it,
Oh, that's nasty.
please just run.
Oh no, that's nasty. Oh no, that's nasty.
What is this?
Where is it?
I found something. Oh.
I'm not here.
Bro, I'm scared, bro.
Go down there.
I'm pretty
Check it out
scared.
yourself. Little Johnny.
No, why am I going by myself?
They actually do.
Sigma.
Hello, Mr. Monster. Monster, if you're there, give us a sign.
What the shit, Mom? Give us a sign.
Monster, if you're near, give us a sign.
He was behind us. He's over there. He was really behind us.
Skibbity, riz, skibbity, skibbity, toilet, riz.
Monkeys, you pathetic monkey.
Nope, nope, nope. No. I hate corners. Frick.
I'm not dying.
Oh my god.
He's not coming.
Bro, I had to recalibrate for a second. Oh my god.
He's not coming, bro. It's fine.
No, it isn't.
Bro, I'm out of breath.
Bro, I had to recalibrate for a second. Bro, I had to recalibrate for air.
I was good too.
He had to make sure he was actually chasing us down.
No. Why y'all following me? Why y'all following me? Why y'all following me?